जिंदगी के बारे में कुछ अलग ही ट्विस्ट है. So tell us about your role. मतलब not butter chicken roll or paneer roll.
That was a very bad joke. हाँ, I know कि मेरी कैरेक्टर को एक हैबिट है कि वो बहुत बुरे जोक्स मारते हैं, but you don't need to compete with Kyra. Kyra can just be the one to crack the bad jokes.
By the end of this night, no, we will see who cracks the worst jokes.
Okay, you're competing?
I'm done.
Done.
Done. Finalized here.
So this film is जैसे कि आपने कहा कि डियर जिंदगी के बारे में है. It's about everything that you go through in life. मेरी कैरेक्टर का नाम है कायरा. She's a 20-something girl. Young है, restless है, passionate है, moody है, टेढ़ी है, सब कुछ है. और कभी कभी लाइफ में क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और हम किसी को ढूंढना चाहते हैं, किसी से बात करना चाहते हैं. Sometimes we talk to our friends, sometimes our family, and sometimes we talk to, in my case, Dr. जहांगीर खान उर्फ जग.
तो अब हमने आपके फिल्म के बारे में बात कर ली. अब थोड़ी सी जिंदगी के बारे में बात कर लें.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
लव, डेटिंग, फ्रेंडशिप. What is your take on all these three? No, I'm just asking. मैं सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूँ. Love, dating, friendship. Nothing personal.
Love. Love. Had too much of the second.
अच्छा.
And stuck in the third.
Considering now I know कि आलिया को क्या पसंद है, आलिया को क्या नहीं पसंद है, what you love and what you don't love. एक काम करते हैं. Let's swipe left and right.
ठीक है.
And let's bring about a few things.
Okay.
जिनको आप लेफ्ट और राइट स्वाइप करेंगे.
हाँ मैं रेडी हूँ.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go for it.
I'm going for it. दिखाओ.
All right.
Serene beaches. Right.
Right swipe. Excellent. Next one. Butter chicken, please.
मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ. Left.
Please next.
किसने बोला? वेजिटेरियन होना अच्छा होता है कभी कभी. Hold on. Right.
Right?
Right.
Game of Thrones. Amazing.
चॉकलेट्स अगर खाना है तो इसमें फिट नहीं हो सकती हूँ. सो लेफ्ट प्लीज.
Oh.
मैं जा रही हूँ.
I didn't mean it like
ये
that.
मतलब तुम यार मेरी बेइज्जती कर रहे हो.
नहीं, but आप क्या कहोगे? Come on, this is great.
मैं मौन व्रत ले रही हूँ.
आलिया मौन व्रत.
क्या मैंने बोला?
मौन व्रत.
नहीं मैंने मौन व्रत नहीं, मैंने मौन व्रत नहीं.
Okay.
ये सुनाई दे रहा है. My voice is husky.
अच्छा, ये क्या करते हैं? Next one, please.
Next,
one,
please.
Please. ये तो बनता है.
Right.
Amazing. See, we make a match.
Oh, biggish right.
Next.
Chuck Bass. Right.
Right.
क्या ये cockroaches?
Cockroaches.
ये कौन cockroaches को right swipe करेगा? Left.
ये mirror selfie.
नहीं, I don't like mirror selfie. Left.
Bodybuilder.
छी. I mean, no offense to bodybuilders, but personally in a guy मुझे ये bodybuilder type body अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
हाँ.
No offense, हाँ bodybuilders आप बहुत great हो, but मुझे थोड़ा सा lean, mean, अच्छा वाला machine चाहिए. तो left.
ओह. इनका क्या करें? ये बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव लग रहे हैं. अट्रैक्टिव.
वो तो है ही.
अब क्या करें?
अब दिल का मामला है, राइट करना ही
ये
पड़ेगा.
लीन है, मीन है.
अच्छी मशीन भी है. राइट.
ओके, सो राइट. एंड इन्हें
Right.
लाइक करें, सुपर लाइक करें, क्या करें?
आई थिंक
क्या करें? कर दे राइट.
कर दे.
तो आई थिंक अगर ये है, तो अगर ये आलिया के मिस्टर राइट हैं, तो इन मिस्टर राइट को भी बुलाना बनता ही है स्टेज पर. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर कुणाल कपूर.
आई हैव सुपर लाइक्ड यू.
ऊ से औ तक.
अभी नहीं, हमने आपको लीन बोला और
Lean
सेक्स
mean?
मशीन
लीन
नहीं बोला.
नहीं.
डिसअपॉइंटिंग.
अच्छा मशीन बोला. मतलब मुझे क्या पता है क्या मशीन है. मुझे मशीन चलानी नहीं आती.
हाँ?
ये मुझे मशीन चलानी नहीं आती.
अच्छा, कभी मशीन. ओके, आई डोंट थिंक वी शुड गो डाउन दैट रूट.
नहीं मशीन के बारे में नहीं बात
हाँ,
करेंगे यहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, लेट्स डू दिस वन थिंग. क्योंकि आप लोग हैं, इन्होंने आपको सुपर लाइक किया है, इन्होंने आपको राइट स्वाइप भी किया है, तो मैं एक रैपिड फायर खेलूंगा आप दोनों के साथ. ओके, क्विकली लेट्स गो फॉर इट.
रैपिड.
रैपिड फायर. सो
अरे ऐसे क्यों? मतलब कुछ क्या मतलब?
रेडी?
कबड्डी.
अरे,
Okay.
हाँ.
Kunal, what do you think about modern romance? Is it confusing or is it not?
It's confusing, yeah.
Why?
Why is it confusing? It's always been confusing. Actually, what modern romance? Romance has always been confusing because when men and women come together, it's going to be confusing.
Alia,
Right?
what do you think
Yeah.
of the same?
I completely agree.
Okay, next question. Okay, next one. Favorite pickup line. Alia, favorite pickup line.
Is your father a... No, I will change that.
ना
Say it.
बहुत लफड़े हो रहे हैं.
बहुत खराब है, बहुत खराब है.
अच्छा, हाँ.
I don't use pickup lines. Can that be my answer?
Okay, Kunal, your favorite pickup line.
Mine is on a scale of 1 to 10, you're a 9, and I'm the one for you.
Oh,
Hi.
please give a big round of applause. Okay, question number 3. The nation wants to know. Describe your perfect soulmate.
Huh?
Soulmate, souls. When the souls touch, then we become soulmates. Look, soulmates.
Soulmate. What is the biggest turn off in a guy?
Body odor.
Girl.
Acha, in a guy, I thought. Ditto, yeah. Yeah.
Body
And
odor
someone that
always-
talks too much,
Ha, okay.
doesn't listen. No, I'm not talking about you. Why are you looking at me?
Okay, next.
Okay. What look in a guy would impress you the most on a first date?
Huh?
What look on a guy would impress you the most on the first date?
Something cash, chill, easy, trying not to impress, not too hard to impress, like
Yeah. Okay.
something like this.
Kunal.
Maybe.
First date.
Why are you saying it like
Because
this?
they're not rapid fire round.
Okay,
that's why.
okay. हाँ.
First date. क्या पसंद करेंगे आप? What
First
would you
date.
like a girl to look like?
What would I like a girl to look like? My God, I've been on lots of first dates, and all the girls have looked very different from each other.
Okay,
So
describe
there's
one.
no
You
describe
want them
one.
to be different from each other, basically.
Yeah, different from each other would be nice. Yes.
हाँ चलो एक describe कीजिए. एक date आपका first date कैसा था?
First date. You know, there was a damn good line which I love, which is that a good first date is one that ends at dinner, but a great first date is one that ends at breakfast.
Amazing. I think that
I've had
deserves a
some
round of
breakfast
applause,
ones,
please.
and I do
That
have,
is awesome.
Have you had some breakfast ones? No.
I don't eat breakfast.
Oh, okay.
No, I eat lots of lunch.
Okay.
Now, next day.
Ah, interesting.
First ends at
That's an
lunch.
amazing date.
I think there's a lot that happens about heartbroken people. There's poems written, songs written about how difficult it is. But sometimes it's very difficult with the heartbreaker as well. And I don't think that there's enough about that.
I think ये बात आपने बिल्कुल सही कही है.
हाँ, मतलब बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Somebody that you've dated for a long time to look at them and say, look, it's not working out. No? Heartbreaker is sometimes even more difficult than being heartbroken.
I agree.
Totally. You know it the best, Alia.
Why does she know it best?
She knows
Why
it
do
best.
I know it the best? मैंने क्या किया है?
तुमने कुछ नहीं किया.
अच्छा मैंने तुम्हारा दिल
हाँ,
तोड़ा
चलो,
इसलिए।
हाँ, ठीक है.
Anyways, now we leave the question and answers open for the press.
From the time you acted in Student of the Year till now, Dear Zindagi, what is the exact change in you? Because even in that time, if I remember, you acted perfectly.
How
And in
sweet.
what way you are improved as an actress?
I don't know if I can be able to really measure my quality of acting कितना improve हुआ है क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है with every film I want to forget that I learnt anything and go back to feeling like I felt with the first film क्योंकि उसी तरह से I'll be able to grasp more, learn more, absorb more. So I would believe that I've learned a lot in terms of technique, understanding, people, experiences. उस टाइम पे मैं 18 साल की थी. Today I'm 23 years old. बहुत बड़ी हो गई हूँ मैं. But there is a mental difference maybe. Like I have grown up or understood things a little better. But yeah, I think how I've changed as an actor, only the audience and the people, and you can tell me. I can't really say what has changed in me.
Alia, what does love mean to you? You're not married, Kunal is married.
Honestly, for me, love ka meaning changes every day. Actually, genuinely. And I don't believe love is only between a boy and a girl or between two lovers. I feel there's a very strong love between two friends, very strong love between a special friendship, strong love between me and my cat. I have a very, very strong love for my cup of coffee in the morning. So love, I think, is universal. But every day, I think my definition of love changes. So today, I think my definition of love is Dear Zindagi.
She said it before I could say it.
You agree?
I agree with you
How
completely. No, I think love is something that keeps changing, and I don't think that you can have one small little definition of love. I think it's too vast.
Dating should be done responsibly, and what are the things you would like to suggest for dating?
वो पिक्चर देख के आपको पता चलेगा. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं पिक्चर के अंदर.
I mean, responsible तो चलते हुए भी बनना चाहिए वैसे. तो dating is of course, but I don't understand what you mean by responsible. But मैं कोई होती नहीं हूँ. I think tips देने वाले कि यहाँ मिलेंगे, वहाँ मिलेंगे. I just feel that like-minded people और जहाँ आप एक conversation हो सकता है when you can really connect with the person. as opposed to just frivolously dating. And I'm not a person to judge that either.
Kunal, आप बताएं, has there been any change in the dating process? Like you have been like seen both the generations, like this generation.
But what do you
यार,
mean by
both the
process?
generation
Process
मतलब
क्या
क्या है?
होता है?
मुझे तो बहुत
किसी से
बुड्ढा
मिलते-
बना दिया इन्होंने।
No, no, I want to know process. मतलब थोड़ा सा थोड़ी ना होके कि हम लोग कचुम्बर नहीं बना रहे कि पहले आलू काकड़ी काटेंगे, फिर मिर्ची डालेंगे, फिर वो करेंगे. Process नहीं होता है. You meet somebody, right? If you feel that person is interesting, you go on a couple of dates, and then if it's really nice, then that person becomes your boyfriend / or girlfriend. Simple है ना? Process थोड़ी होता है.
What kind of a profile are you looking for?
My profile or another person?
The other person's obviously.
See, genuinely, as I said, I love to make conversation. So if I find somebody's profile interesting, a humorous kind of person, he has some character, usko creative cheese mein zyada interest hai, then I would probably be interested in somebody like that.
And what about the kind of pictures? Obviously, mirror selfies are out of the question because you don't like mirror selfies.
एक लेम टाइप का फोटो एक होता है, एक अच्छा टाइप का फोटो होता है. एंड आई थिंक यू कैन आपकी पर्सनल चॉइस पे डिपेंड करता है. कोई ऐसा पोज कर रहा है तो देन मे बी आई जस्ट स्वाइप लेफ्ट. बट इफ समबडी इज जेन्युइनली स्टैंडिंग पोजिंग विद अ फ्रेंड, कोई माउंटेन का फोटो हो तो शायद मतलब ओ ये माउंटेन हाइकर है, मतलब माउंटेन्स पे शायद जाने का मौका मिलेगा. सो देन यू विल
So
प्रॉब्ली
if you want to date, no, I was going to say Kyra. If you want to date Alia, basically you need pictures with mountains at the back.
I love mountains also.
And somebody just asked you, he said that you're married, right?
Right.
So has your definition of love changed after marriage? Would you like to?
Well, I don't know if my definition has changed, but I think the love has grown. I think I'm more in love with my wife now than I was when I was dating her. I was in love with her then as well, but I think that's grown a lot more now.
फर्स्ट टाइम किसी को डेट करने का वो एक्सपीरियंस और फर्स्ट टाइम जब हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ था उससे कैसे आपने डील किया?
मैं बहुत छोटी थी. I mean, I'm not छोटी, मतलब I was like 16,
Suddenly
17.
sound like a toddler.
I was 16, 17. Thanks. I was 16, 17. या कोई फंडा नहीं होता है. You just engross your. उस टाइम पे I was like with my friends और कुछ ज़्यादा distract करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. But I think today maybe I'll just maybe go for a holiday, just focus on my work, and I don't feel bad. अगर कुछ, I mean, I will feel bad, but अगर कुछ खत्म हुआ है, it's obviously for a reason. और अगर खत्म नहीं होना था, then it'll come back together. I always believe that if that person is meant for you, he'll come back to you, or she'll come back to you.